So my daddy got stuck. He was mowing and then he got stuck in the woods. As you can see way back there. See the lights?
He's coming to get us.
Yeah, he's coming to get us so that we can get the ranger to rescue him. So, yep, see, he's coming right now. See? Those lights. Yeah, he's going to come to get us, and then we are going to get the ranger, and we're going to help Daddy get unstuck.
Need help now, need help.
Okay, ready?
Yep, we're ready. Daddy, where are you going?
You can open it, I'm going to drive down there.
Huh?
You can open it, I'm going to drive down there.
Hold on, let me move this thing out.
Okay, I'm so excited. Yeah. So my daddy's gonna actually take the truck, and we're gonna take the truck. Okay. Is there any waspers in here? Ask Daddy. Oh wait, Daddy, is there any waspers in here? How do I help?
You're just chilling.
So how do I chill? Where do I chill? Oh, good. We are about to go. Doody-doody-doo.
Ready?
Yep. My mommy said, yep. I'm ready. Is Daddy ready?
Ready.
Where are we going? I gotta hold on to somebody. I'm holding on to somebody. I gotta hold on to somebody.
Life on the farm with your daddy is always an adventure.
Oh, Lord. I'm holding a camera, right, Daddy? I'm holding a camera.
You are.
Yeah. Woo! Okay, I'm just gonna go straight up in the air and go back.
What, are you going to video it so we can put it on my YouTube channel?
Yep.
Lawn care therapy.
Wait, I thought it was free to make
Gonna
it.
need therapy after this.
What?
I'm going to get this tower around here real quick.
What time?
Alright, just chill out right here for a second.
Okay, Daddy's getting a tire, so.
You may want to turn it the other way where you can video what we're doing.
Oh, okay. This is what we're doing. We're right down here. Wait, where's the tire?
It was a little bitty one.
Oh.
I'm trying to make this, what I'm doing is, you've already got a little roadway
Yeah.
back here to where you can walk to the waterfall.
Yeah.
So I was trying to clean it off and get the leaves off of it where we can walk back here, you know. Don't have to worry about snakes and stuff, but then the mower started leaking diesel fuel and it just hadn't worked out too good. It's back here in the woods. There ain't no way to get it through there without another driver. So that's why we got another driver.
I'm the second driver.
All right.
Mommy's my second driver. I mean,
Hey, watch back there, guys. See if you don't hit no tree.
Run over all these little trees, that's fine.
Am I missing them?
No, you're running over top of them, but it's fine. Okay, you're good. I think that's a good spot.
see,
You're going to hit the mower.
you're gonna hit the mower, Dad.
All right.
So there's the mower, and Daddy's taking this thing to hook it up. And Daddy's looking for his knife. Daddy's looking for his knife, so don't worry. He can't find his knife. Ow. Okay. So he's taking that to hook it to the lawnmower, and then he's gonna hook it onto the Ranger, and then we're gonna pull it out. So is Daddy gonna sit up on the Ranger?
He's gonna drop the mower out.
So he's gonna drive. So he's gonna drive the mower while we're driving this.
Yep.
Oh, it's working. Yes, it's working. It's moving with us. He said, "Hold on." Now he's getting on the thing. He's getting on.
Am I coming out? Am I going out the same way we came in? Yeah. Okay.
I'm waving at him while he's waving at me. We're doing it. We're making it go. This Ranger can do anything. See, like this little hook. Faster. Get faster.
Video him.
If I got hit by the tree. If I got hit by the
Keep going to the shed. Keep going to the shed.
We're watching.
That's good.
Yep, he said yeah. That's so cool.
I think that's it for our adventure. We made it home.
I'm already gonna get out.
All right. You guys can ride me if you don't do. Go ahead and ride me.
Okay, guys.
Ready?
Yep.
You gonna video us?
Yep, here.
All right. You ready?
Oh,
Video
oh,
up
we're
here.
jumping.
See us go down the
It don't look like we have no more ducks though, but that's fine. You know.
Yeah, we still have a bunch of ducks.
No, we don't.
We used to.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, but we gotta do more adventures. We gotta make more adventures. Flying up the hill. Ready? Gotta go.
Ready to go down the hill again?
Yeah. Ready, people?
Guys, did you enjoy your ride with us?
Yeah, I hope they did, but I did. I still did.
All right.
I'm gonna let you guys go.